Jabber is usually priced lower and simpler to set up, while Service Fusion tends to be heavier with more built-in field service features aimed at larger teams. By the end, you'll know which one fits your business size, how they differ in daily use, and which one actually saves you time instead of slowing you down. Jabber and Service Fusion both solve the same core problem: managing, scheduling, invoicing, and customer jobs without relying on spreadsheets. The difference is how much complexity you're willing to handle. Jabber is built for small to mid-sized service businesses that want something clean and fast. You can set up jobs, send invoices, and track customers without spending days learning the system. It focuses on speed and usability more than deep customization. Service Fusion is built for larger operations that need more control over workflows. It includes more detailed job tracking, stronger dispatch tools, and more structured operational features. That extra control usually comes with more setup time and more steps inside the system. So the real comparison comes down to simplicity versus depth. If you run a small team or you're still growing, Jabber usually feels easier to stick with. You spend less time training staff and more time actually getting jobs done. If you're managing a bigger crew with multiple dispatchers and complex scheduling needs, Service Fusion gives you more structure to organize that workload. But it also means your team has to follow tighter processes inside the software. Now here's how to decide quickly. If your priority is get in, send invoices, and move on, Jabber is the more straightforward option. If your priority is control every step of dispatching and job tracking, Service Fusion fits better. Both tools handle the basics: scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. The separation happens when your workflow gets more complex and you need more control versus more simplicity. To sum it up, Jabber is simpler, faster to adopt, and better for smaller teams. Service Fusion is more structured and better for larger operations with heavier dispatch needs. If you're choosing right now, pick based on team size first, not features. That one factor usually decides which system you'll actually stick with. Like the video, if this helped you narrow it down, and subscribe for more side-by-side software breakdowns like this.